PCB-RND text objects can be placed on any layer using the text tool from the toolbar. They are most often used on a silk layer. On copper layers, text automatically cuts out a clearance from the surrounding polygons using a default clearance value and the text object's rectangular bounding box. Clearance cutout is not done on other layer types. Right-click over the text object to invoke the property editor from the pop-up menu. The rotation property is the rotation of the text object around its bottom left corner, specified in decimal degrees. A value of 0 results in a horizontal text. Any other value rotates the text object in a counter-clockwise direction. Scale is the relative size of the text, both height and width, compared to the standard size, which is a property of the font used. The scale value is expressed in integer percentage, 100 being the normal size. If thickness is specified, this value is used for line and arc thickness instead of the value coming from the font file. This works only with centerline specified fonts. The string property holds the actual text the object draws. A simpler way of editing the string of a text object is using the hotkey ET.